Okay. Hello, Felipe, Alvaro, again. So, I published the marks of reading one yesterday, in fact. They are good. They are very good, in fact. So, congratulations for that. And you did exactly what you had to do, which is to read carefully the text and then respond accordingly, de acuerdo, accordingly to the questions that I asked. So that is what you have to do. Of course, there are some little problems with your English, but más allá de eso, beyond that, your answers were good, were very good. So that is the important thing, okay? So good job. And well, today, as you know, last week we didn't have classes because some people asked for more time, so I decided to give more time for completing the reading one to everybody because I thought it was the democratic, the fair thing to do. So now we are in week number 8 after the week that we didn't have classes, and according to our syllabus, we have to start a new unit. The new unit is called Food and Health. So this is a new unit that we have to begin studying today in week number 8, Comida y Salud. So we're going to revise and see this link and relationship, very close relationship that there is between food, the food you eat, and how healthy you are. You know, there is a close relationship between what we eat and how we feel, how healthy we are. So we're going to work on that topic. And at the same time, I'm going to give you the instructions for, not the instructions, sorry. You will have to do listening quiz 1 this week. And I think you will do it on Monday. We're going to use UTest to do that quiz. Lunes 16. So we have to talk about that. Why? Because last week, in week number 7, the idea was to do listening quiz 1. But as we did not have classes, this was suspended, and now we have to do it to keep update all the quizzes. Debemos ponernos al día con este quiz de audio que no hicimos la semana pasada. So today we're going to talk about that too, okay? So these are the 2 things we have to do today. Start working on the new topic of food and health, and organize and give you more specifications and details about listening quiz 1 that I want to do on Monday via UTest. So let's begin with the first part. Food and health. Food and health. All right. So basically, and as usual, what I will do in this short class is to explain to you and give you some online activities that you can do. Alvaro, we will speak about the quiz, listening quiz, in a few more minutes, okay? Don't you worry. Felipe, we will speak about the listening quiz in a few more minutes, right? Thank you. So let's do the first part, food and health. I'm going to give you some online activities that you will do individually to learn and to know more language and more English about this interesting topic, okay? So I'm going to explain to you and show you the activities that you will have to do individually. So let me share that with you. Okay. This is the first activity. It's a quiz that I selected from CNN Health about how healthy is your diet. It's very practical, and I think it's very good and realistic material for you to learn about this topic of food and health and to expand your English. So you will have to answer this quiz. How healthy is your diet? ¿Cuán saludable es tu dieta? You have questions that you have to respond here. For example, how much fruit and veggies and vegetables should you eat each day? ¿Cuánta fruta y vegetales deberías comer cada día? Do you know that? So you have to do it. And you have to check all the English using a dictionary, of course, word reference or some other. And at the same time, you will be learning about this interesting topic of food and health. I think the first activity is very interesting. Don't you think so? Well, I think so. Well, esa es solamente una muestra. Ustedes lo hacen individually, right? Después, next activity. A top 10. This is a video that I took from YouTube, and it's called Top 10 Most Unhealthy Foods. So this is a food you have to avoid, evitar. El top 10 de las comidas menos saludables o más dañinas. Top 10 of most unhealthy foods. So here you simply are going to watch
hidden dangers lurking in popular North American foods. Considering a single can of soda contains almost 10 teaspoons of refined sugar, it's little wonder that a soda...
You're going to watch, you're going to listen, you can read the subtitles which are automatically generated, and you're going to learn about the topic. So nothing more. You're going to get information, expanding your English, your vocabulary, and practicing your listening skills, which is very good for the upcoming quiz on Monday. So, quiz, top 10. Let me continue with this one. The other activity you're going to do is another quiz, and it's very similar to the first. So you're going to expand more vocabulary, you're going to have another opportunity for you to check more English about the same topic. How healthy are your eating habits? ¿Qué tan saludables son tus hábitos alimenticios? And here you have a nice burger in front of you to start the quiz. So you press here, start, and then you have a very nice quiz about the topic. True or false. So the idea is the same. You do the quiz, you read, you incorporate language by checking all your doubts on an online dictionary and learn about the topic. As you can see, all the activities, as usual, are interactive, are fun. I hope they are fun for you. And they are, I think, interesting and relevant. And you will be using your English in all of them. At your pace, a tu ritmo, at your rhythm, at your pace, and when you want to do the activities in the week. If you have any questions, you can get in touch with me and talk to me and ask for the questions, all right? But that is the idea, that I am your guide, la guía, and you do the activities in this pandemic situation, of course. So let's check the last topic. It's also a video, so you have the chance of listening, practicing listening for the quiz, and learning about the topic of food and health. In this case, we have the opposite. We have the top 10 healthiest foods. El top 10 de las comidas más saludables, healthiest foods. So the foods that are good for you and for your health. Make you stronger, make you healthy, make you smarter. So these are good foods for you. You're going to listen, you're going to learn, you're going to expand your English, check all the vocabulary questions that you have using online dictionaries. And that's it. And there is a question you have to respond. How many of these foods do you usually eat? ¿Cuántas de estas comidas saludables usualmente ustedes comen? Bueno, todas estas 4 actividades van a venir con sus links y con sus instrucciones en un documento Word, como siempre lo hago, que les voy a subir de inmediato a material docente. Pero se las quería presentar todas de esta forma, de esta forma más interactiva, más comunicativa, ¿no es cierto? Para que las pudieran ya ir saboreando a propósito del tema Food and Health. ¿Ya? Eso es la primera parte. Activities for this new unit, for this new week, week number 8. Do you have any questions? A ver qué dice por acá. My friends, Álvaro, Sofía, Felipe, do you have any questions about these fun activities I think you will have to do? Okay, I think you will have a lot of fun. Do the activities, please. You will learn a lot. They are good. They are in English, all of them. Y como les decía, sobre todo los listenings, le van a servir como apresto, como práctica, como training, como warming up para el listening quiz que yo quiero hacer el lunes. Hablemos del listening quiz. Como les decía, lo tuvimos que haber hecho la semana 7 de acuerdo al calendario, pero no tuvimos clase. Y lo tenemos que hacer ahora. Ahora mismito no lo vamos a hacer, obviamente, porque este quiz lo vamos a hacer por un test. Ustedes van a tener que escuchar un par, no sé, 2, 3 listenings y responder algunas me imagino, preguntas con alternativas sobre lo que escucharon. ¿Ya? Los listenings yo creo que van a estar relacionados ya sea con este tema de Food and Health o con algo relacionado a su carrera, algún listening relacionado al mundo animal o al mundo veterinario, ¿ya? Pero a su nivel, que es un nivel, ustedes saben, un nivel preintermedio, nada más allá de eso, ¿ya? Así es que practiquen y no van a tener problemas, practiquen con estos materiales y con otros materiales que les voy a dejar ahora. Pero entonces, yo lo quiero hacer el lunes y quería que me respondieran por mail si les parece adecuado hacerlo este lunes. Dígame, ¿hasta qué hora ustedes tienen clases para hacerlo después de eso el lunes? ¿A qué hora podemos hacer el quiz el lunes en que todos puedan? Ya, perfecto. 6:20. 6:20. Eso es lo más tarde, ya. ¿Y el martes terminan antes? ¿Hasta qué hora tienen clases el martes? Y ustedes 3 que están acá, mira, porque la idea es ya, yo subir el quiz el lunes o martes desde las 6 de la tarde hasta las 8, mantenerlo en ese periodo, o de las 6 a las 9, y ustedes lo pueden hacer dentro de ese periodo. Les doy 3 horas, el quiz no creo que dure más de media hora, unos 30 minutos con 40 a lo más, son cortitos. Entonces les doy un plazo, un periodo de 3 horas para hacerlo, este quiz que no va a durar más de 40 minutos, el lunes o martes. ¿Qué día? Ustedes 3 van a escoger el día. ¿Qué día les parece que lo hagamos? ¿El lunes de 6 a 9 o el martes de 6 a 9? ¿Pueden decirme ahora? ¿Qué opinas, Felipe? Ok. Entonces, quiz, listening quiz 1. Listening. Sí, se entiende, Sofía. Juan. Martes. Siete. Eso, excelente. Um, so, okay. These are additional exercises that you can do, that you have to do, I think, you should do, deberían hacer, to practice more listening, so you can get more prepared, you can be ready, you can be better prepared for the listening quiz on Monday. And these activities and these listening web pages are always good for you to continue practicing day by day, if you want, listening skills, okay? So let me show you that. My Gmail. Okay. These are the exercise for listening practice. The first one is this. You have a number of exercises here. You have a number of exercises here to practice. All of them here in this column. These are all exercises corresponding to your level, which is A2, A2 en el Marco Común Europeo. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 exercises, all of them with a listening track that you can listen to as many times as you want, and then you have to respond to multiple choice questions. Very similar, very good for practicing for the quiz. Okay, That is the first. Then we have the second. And these other exercises are more related to maybe science or to more related to animal topics. So the first one is more related to the sciences, and it's a quiz about recycling. ¿Cómo podemos reciclar? How can we recycle? Again, for your level, simple listening quiz, and you have the questions here that you have to respond. And in the case of this, you can also check the subtitles, because this is YouTube video with automatically generated subtitles. Okay, that is more practice, more listening practice. Then in number 3, we have more listening practice for you to prepare. This is about an animal, okay? And you're going to read and listen to the information about gophers, and then you're going to respond to the questions. En el quiz de U-Test, en el listening quiz, ustedes van a tener el video, el listening, y lo van a poder escuchar cuantas veces quieran para responder las preguntas que les hagan. Así que dentro del tiempo que les dé, que van a ser, como les decía, 30, 35, a lo más 40 minutos. ¿Ya? Yo no creo que vayan a ser más de 2 o 3 distintos audios breves. Y por último, entonces a lo que voy es que esto es muy práctica, muy buena y muy similar a lo que encontrarán en el quiz. Y por último, el otro es, number 4, es esto. It's about Houston, which is a horse, and a person is going to talk about Houston's daily routine. So you're going to listen to the horse's daily routine, Houston's daily routine, and you have to do the quiz, okay? So, esta es la práctica, muy realista, muy similar a lo que van a encontrar en el quiz del lunes. So, tienen muchos ejercicios acá that you have to do. You have to listen as much as you can to get better prepared for your quiz on Monday. Voy a subir todo esto apenas termine la clase. I'm going to upload the exercises for the new topic, food and health, and I'm going to upload all these listening quizzes, listening activities for your preparation for Monday, and I'm going to upload the Zoom class. All right? Creo que es todo lo que tenía que decir y creo que fui lo suficientemente claro, espero. Ok, perfecto. Me parece bueno.